Daily calls come in from prospects about the new sexy universal life policies that life insurance companies are marketing heavily today. They all want to know how universal life compares to what life benefits does. The first thing we have to tell these clients and callers is that life benefits isn't as much about life insurance as it is about money management. Because the Perpetual Wealth Code is all about managing your money differently so that you can keep more of what you make. Doesn't that sound great? And really, you can't solve today's problems with yesterday's thinking because yesterday's thinking is what caused today's problems. Still, the question remains, and it's a legitimate one. How do the new sexy universal life insurance policies compare to the slow and steady participating whole life insurance policies that have been around for centuries? And here's the straight scoop. You can choose to pay $39.36 a year for a sexy UL policy and have nothing, zero, zilch in it for 2 years of net surrender cash value. Or you can choose to pay the same $39.36 a year for a slow and steady participating whole life insurance policy and have $25.61 in year 1 and $52.14 by the end of year 2 guaranteed cash values. It's completely your choice. Interestingly enough, when people comprehend this fact about universal life insurance, it loses a lot of its sexiness. By year 10, the sexy UL policy has lost even more of its sexiness by only having $10,081 of net surrender cash value, while slow and steady participating whole life insurance has $39,241 of guaranteed cash value for you to use freely just as you choose. But someone always asks, what about the death benefit? So what about it? With sexy UL, the death benefit is constant, $825,000, while slow and steady participating whole life, the death benefit starts slow at only $118,009, but steadily climbs throughout your lifetime, reaching and surpassing the death benefit of sexy UL when you're probably most likely to die and really need the death benefit. But hold on to your shorts a moment. If you purchase a level term along with the participating whole life, you can make up the difference in death benefit from the very get-go. And even though you'll pay an additional $243 a year for that term coverage, you will still have $26,566 more to use in year 10 than if you'd purchased sexy UL by itself to begin with. My question to prospects and clients at this point is always the same. If the UL is so sexy, where did your additional $26,566 go to? It's a fact. Glamour sells, sexiness sells, and great efforts have been made to make UL look as sexy as it can so that it will sell. But there's always a hidden cost that comes with this kind of sexiness. And if you're stuck on that kind of sexiness, fine. Just be prepared to pay the price that comes with it. But if you're stuck on profits and keeping more of what you make, then slow and steady participating in life is what you're looking for. And by the way, no worries. Slow and steady participating whole life has its own natural sex appeal. It might not look as glamorous at first, but try and think of any person you know who isn't attracted to the fact of keeping more of what they make. That, my friend, is the matchless sex appeal that participating whole life inherently holds over universal life policies.